Friends, what's up? Hope you're fine now. Friends, in this video we have a look of Chainlink crypto. What's the price change occur in Chainlink crypto? What's the high price of Chainlink and what is the best time to buy Chainlink? I will show you in this video, friends. So before starting this brand video, if you don't subscribe my channel, so first of all please subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. Now let's see the price prediction of Chainlink crypto. What's the price change occur? What's the price prediction of Chainlink and the previous last 1 hour? As you can see here, that is live price prediction of Chainlink on the previous last 1 hour, friends. That is last 1 hour. If we look the average change of Chainlink crypto in the last 1 hour, so the average change is negative 0.88% chance occur in the Chainlink, and the last 1 hour absolutely bad chance occur in the Chainlink. And if we look the high price of Chainlink, so absolutely good chance, good amount, positive $32.558 is the high price of Chainlink in the last 1 hour. If we look the chart analysis of Chainlink cryptocurrency, so after a small jump, they again falling down, but don't worry, if we look the currently situation, so currently they are again ready for jumping. Now that is last 1 hour price prediction of Chainlink, and now let's see the last 2 hour price prediction of a link. What's going and the last 2 hour. As you can see here, absolutely good chance occur in the previous last 2 hour. As you can see here, the chart tells us that previous 2 hours they take a jump, but unfortunately at last 1 hour they fall down for a later time, and now currently they are again start jumping upward. So friends, if we look the average change of Chainlink in the previous last 2 hours, so the average change is a positive 0.95% occur in the Chainlink in the previous 2 hour, and the high price of Chainlink is about $32.58 is the high price of Chainlink in the last 2 hour, friends. So according to the price prediction of Chainlink cryptocurrencies, that is clear that Chainlink cryptocurrencies take a jumps continuously. So it's time, if you are a holder of Link crypto, so hold your Link coin with the last of this month, and if you want to buy Link crypto, so absolutely good time to buy a Link crypto. Thank you so much for watching this video. What's your opinion about Chainlink? Please share in the comment box, and also remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.